Nigerian government ẹ máa burú o. Nigerian government ẹ máa níkà o. Ẹ máa kì í ṣe kúre o. Ẹ máa kì í ṣe èèyàn. Ọlọ́run máa dá yín dáadáa o. Omi ń jà ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹkún omi ń jà ní Nàìjíríà. Federal government of Nigeria. Àwọn house, àwọn legislator, àwọn bàbá mi ló kàn. Àwọn PDP and Atiku and Co. Àwọn Labour Party, gbogbo yín fọwọ́ lẹ́rán. Ìkà níyìn. Ẹ kì í ṣèyàn dáadáa. Ẹ bẹ̀rù ọjọ́ àti sùn. Ẹ bẹ̀rù ìdájọ́ lórí yín àtàwọn generation yín unborn. Yet, after this show, the gullible people will still come on this show and type, this is natural disaster, it happens everywhere. Show ọpọlọ ẹ ṣá. Ṣé wọ́n forí ẹ ṣàṣù? Ṣé o ti ṣe research ẹ? Ó ti lọ bèrè pé kí ló wà láàrin Nigeria àti Cameroon? Have you done your research? Ǹjẹ́ o ti gbọ́ pé 1977 Nigeria àti Cameroon wọ́n ní agreement láti build dam? Lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n ṣe dam tó láàrin Nigeria àti Cameroon, wọ́n sọ pé every 2 years wọ́n máa ṣí dam yẹn kalẹ̀. In 1977, the government Cameroon ti sọ fún Nigeria pé ẹ lọ build counterpart ti yín o, àwa náà máa build tiwa. Cameroonian government, because wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ ìlú wọn, wọ́n mọ àwọn tí àwọn ń ṣe ìlú lé lórí. Wọ́n build dam tí wọ́n pè ní Ledon Dam. Nigeria said, when you man parrot man promise the money because they are full of irọ́. They are the liars. Money, àwọn máa build dam tàwọn náà, àwọn máa pè ní Dancing Hausa Dam. Nigeria àti irọ́, they are like 5 and 6. Àti Dancing Hausa Dam. Àti drinking Yoruba Dam. Àti jumping Igbo Dam. Nigerian government never did anyone. Up to date, láti 1977, tí wọ́n ti ń ṣí omi yẹn kalẹ̀. Tọdún yìí wá fẹ́ pọ̀, wọ́n ti pe Buhari. Ṣé bí wọ́n sọ pé ogun àgbọ́tẹ́lẹ̀ kò kí ń pariwo tó bá gbọ́n ni. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ká wí fún ni ká tó dá ni, àgbàjàkadì ni. Cameroonian government, ránṣẹ́ sí government Nigeria, wípé omi ọdún yìí máa pọ̀, àti ìṣílẹ̀ ọdún méjì láti ilẹ̀ o, bẹ́ẹ̀ tọdún yìí máa pọ̀. Now, Federal government of Nigeria, ó fọwọ́ lẹ́rán kò sọ kinní kan. Wọ́n ti show mi kalẹ̀ ńsìn. Many have been displaced nílẹ̀ Igbo káàkiri. Omi flood yìí pọ̀ tó dẹ̀ sẹ́ni pé ó lọ ń wú òkú jáde ní Bering. The living are not enjoying in Nigeria. Even the dead cannot sleep well. They cannot rest in peace in Nigeria. The gullible people will still come here and say, Nigeria is kinikon. Nigeria is poor. Nigeria is never poor. Nigeria borrow money from every part of the world and they loot it. They discover loot and they relooted it. Yet they did nothing for the poor masses. They love seeing them campaigning. APC local, PDP local, Labour Party local, but they never want them to complain. To complain about what the government is doing that is not good. Yet they want the youth to campaign for them. And when you complain, you get kidnapped or you get killed. The world is watching. Cameroon government, they built their own dam and they call it Ledon Dam. Last year, once of Nigerian government. As at last month, they still called on Nigerian government. Omi yi ma po, omi yi ma ya. Nigerian government sọ pé àwọn tó ń gbé Ajah, Lekki, Eleko, gbogbo wọn kí wọ́n kó kúrò ńbẹ̀, àwọn Banana Island, wọ́n ní kàn kó kúrò ńbẹ̀ because omi yẹn máa ya, ibo náà máa kó lọ. You never create anything. Omi ò dẹ̀ ṣe dúró dè. Ó ti di ọba rán ni níṣẹ́, ó du ọba kún. Iṣẹ́ ọba ò ṣe má jẹ, ó du ọba ò ṣe rọ́lù. Nigerian government, why are you like this? Why are you so wicked? Why are you so cruel? Well, I never blame you, Buhari. You have break a record. The only sitting president that his wife lives in another man's country. You live in Nigeria as the president of Nigeria, yet your wife lives in another man's country, Dubai. President Muhammadu Buhari, you live in Nigeria as the president of Nigeria, yet your children lives in London. Àwọn ọmọ queen wọn ò gbé Nigeria o. When you want your medical treatment, you travel down to London. You want to buy a twin stick, you travel back down to London. You want to buy pants, singlets, you travel down to London to purchase everything. Emma bu Emma Nikau. As at today, 26th of October 2022, Omi Yawo Lagos State. Omi Yawo Idumota. You will watch the video. Omi Yawo Idumota. Àwọn red water pa ko Omi Yawo láti last year ló sọ pé omi ti ga, ó ti fẹ́ dé abẹ́ Third Mainland Bridge láti inú odò. Eni ó Yawo Idumota. And our Cameroon sọ pé this is just the beginning. Nigeria will take in kankan. Because they told you to go and build your dam. What they get 2.5 bigger in size than the Cameroon own. At the bigger, at the smaller. Nigerian government never do anything. Buhari, ọ̀rẹ́ wa suspicious. Wallahi talai. Even though you have brainwashed or you have capped our elders and leaders, sínú agolo kan. Ọ̀rẹ́ Buhari, ó wà suspicious. You know why I'm saying you look your attitude, your everything looks suspicious to me. Or maybe you just want flood to wipe away the Nigerians. So you can go to Niger Republic and bring your family down to Nigeria. Or you want everybody to be wiped away by flood in Nigeria. And you travel down to Niger Republic when there's no more Nigeria. You promised us 4 refineries in Nigeria. That every year, President Muhammadu Buhari, APC government will build 1 year, 1 refinery. Where is the refinery? You build nothing. Yet, you give Niger Republic 1 billion naira for security. To ban land cruiser. To tackle security in Niger Republic. Many are being kidnapped in Nigeria. You keep quiet. Yes, I know. Buhari mo mọ̀ pé ọmọ ọkọ ni ẹ́. Mo mọ̀ pé ọmọ ọkọ bàbá dáadáa ni ẹ́ fún àwọn ìran ẹ̀. Because you have been enriching your people. You have said it, your uncles lives in Niger Republic. And now you are taking from, you are robbing Paul to pay Peter. You are robbing Nigeria to build Niger Republic. And we say we want Yoruba nation. Yet, àwọn àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, they are against Yoruba nation. Because of your selfish interest. Tinubu I built Lagos. Why are you not saying anything? Omi ti Yawo Idumota o. Mr. Emilokon I built Lagos. You built Lagos, the flood is now in Idumota today. 26th of October 2022. You said nothing. Ọba Èkó, kí lẹ̀ ń wò bàbá? Omi ti Yawo Èkó. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, you said nothing. And Mr. Point and Q, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Baba Lekki Toll Gates, as the governor of the state, you never said anything. You never get your people prepared for me. I've heard about tsunami. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, ṣó ti gbọ́ nípa tsunami. I am here to tell you. Pé tsunami ò mọ minister, kò mọ èmi lọ́kàn, kò mọ governor, kò mọ anybody. Àdúrà mi s'Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ni pé k'Ọlọ́run save the poor masses. Èyàn gbọ́dọ̀ jẹyà, kó mi tí wọ́n padà gbóní tọ̀hún lọ. Àdúrà mi s'Elédùmarè ni pé the God judge, kó ti kọ́lọ́ bá wa la ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà kọjá. Yes, kó ṣe ìdájọ́ ẹ̀yin olórí tí ẹ̀ ń kówó Nàìjíríà jẹ. You guys are wicked souls. And bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀, Ọlọ́run bá máa ṣe ìdájọ́ yín. Nítorí pé àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n tẹ̀jẹ̀ kó máa kúkú àkúsọnù yìí, irinṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni wọ́n. Irinṣẹ́ Elédùmarè ni wọ́n. God purposely create human being sórí ilẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ fi ṣe olórí, even àwọn ẹranko ní olórí. Àwọn ẹyẹ oko wọ́n ní olórí, ẹyẹ ojú ọ̀run ní olórí. Irú olórí wo lẹ́yìn? Irú olórí ìkàwọ́ ni yín. Wọ́n ní omi ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Òjò wo ló rọ̀ tó mi ń yá kiri? Wọ́n ní omi ò tí dé Nàìjíríà. nǹkan tí mo sọ nípa Buhari, if you think ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí bóyá o ro bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bí mi ṣe ro nìyẹn, because they keep on kidnapping people. Okay, now ká fi ọdún yìí ọdún, we are now, I just want to say, even kidnapping for ransom is more better than nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Because when they kidnap somebody, we kidnap. But when they kidnap person and our family, they are able to raise fund for ransom. Luckily, he or she might be released. Tí wọ́n bá ti pa Mr. Gbenga Awolabi, the American Returnarian Hotelier. Tí wọ́n bá ti pa Rachel, ọmọ school tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní hotel as secretary. He or she might be released. This is flood. We are talking about flood. Ẹ̀kún omi. Ẹ̀kún omi tó lè pa ọgbà ayé láàrin ìṣẹ́jú márùn-ún. Là ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí. When flood kidnap you, who will take ransom to the flood? When flood kidnap you, who will rescue you from the flood? When flood came to Bayelsa, Yorubawuyi, Igbe and Fewe, even ex-president Goodluck Jonathan, his mansion and the mansion he built for his mom, we are now occupied with flood. Goodluck Jonathan, ex-president of Nigeria, what is only? I know what goes around must surely comes around. Even though you will say, abandon that, I have many. Yes, stolen assets of the poor masses. I continue. But the poor masses, all we can hear now is 200 million rally. We are doing rally. 500 million rally. Rally to look for you. Rally to shake you. Even though many of you have called me and said, Yorubawuyi, rally here is against our wish. Yo, one taba she rally, one of my shop and the ground tongue 5,000 lower one. One taba she rally, and one way, but in your course of me, Baba, one about go to a con Lagos State. 2 bats on 5,000. Owo aso rally. Ọmọ yẹn ní owó yẹn ò pé òun lọ wá owó kun fún bàbá wọn ni àwọn ò jẹun sùnjọ́ yẹn. Ṣé ẹ wò pé ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn family tí wọ́n jẹun sùnjọ́ yẹn ó máa bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni. Ó máa bí your generation to come. Ẹ lè escape ẹ. Láíláí èyàn ò ní gbin èbùkà kó má ká gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ti gbin àlùbọ́sà kò ní ká ẹ̀fọ́. Ẹni tó gbin ata kò ní ká iṣu. You must surely reap what you are sowing. Reap ẹ àwọn ọmọ yẹn reap ẹ àwọn supporter yín tí wọ́n campaign fún yín lórí internet, they will reap it because they refuse to say the truth. Omi ti dé o. Ẹ̀kún omi ti dé. Bó ti rí nígbà ayé Noah, ó ń bẹ nísìnyí o. Bó ti rí nígbà ayé Noah, ó ń bẹ nísìnyí o. Bó ti rí nígbà ayé Noah, ó ń bẹ nísìn. Bí àsìkò ayé Noah kò bá ṣojú wa, a gbọ́ nínú ìtàn, àmọ́ bí ẹ̀kún omi bó ṣe swipe àwọn èèyàn lọ. People were swept away with flood. Tá bá ti mọ̀ nípa yẹn, a gbọ́ ti tsunami tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́. This is not natural disaster. People say natural disaster, it happens everywhere. This is not what is called natural disaster. This is negligence of Nigerian government. For God's sake, get this into your skull. Fikini kan sínú brain yẹn, Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Ọmọ Yorùbá gidi ni mí, wọ́n bí mi, ẹ̀jẹ̀ èèyàn ló wà nínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi kì í ṣe ẹ̀jẹ̀ màálù. Ọmọ Yorùbá tàtà ni mí.